Come on, get him. Right behind you, P. Watch it, because he's right there about 20 yards up, sitting in the grass. Y'all two right there. You can't be back there, man. You're out in the open. If you out in the open, you're going to get hit. If you're going to sit there, you got to get behind the tree. And you can't do no good if you're behind me 100 feet. If I get hit, you got to take him out before he hits you. One's hit. Move up. Stay down, stay down, stay down. Stay down. Stay down. Is that our dude right there?
Yeah, he's out.
Okay, let's get him. Let's back him up. You got back up, bro. You got back up. You got back up. Ah, hit! Either I got hit or I got smacked by a tree. Follow him. Follow that dude up in front. What are you doing, man? Get up there in front of the line. Don't get scared to hit. Go on. You're going to get hit. That's the part of the game.